LoadMaster, your powerful load plan optimizer. After selecting a loading task type, click Cargo. Slide the cursor to Add Cargo, then click Get Cargo Import Template. Then the Excel template will be downloaded to the browser and then open it. Copy and paste the cargo data including name, quantity, length, width, height to the Excel template. Pay attention to the units. You can switch here in the template. Then save the Excel somewhere you can find on the computer. Back to the software operation interface. Click Import from Excel, find the template you just filled in and then open it. Within 1 second, all the cargo data will be imported to the software. Add containers. Then, if no other special loading constraints, click Loading Result, and you can get an optimal load plan within seconds. To learn more about LoadMaster, please watch other video tutorials. Or try by yourself at http://loadmaster.biz. A 30-day full-featured free trial is waiting for you.